What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Apologize for being gone for a little bit. I just had a lot of things going on. I feel like I'm on repeat because every time I start a video or something like that, I always mention that, but this time it's true. You know, I really have had a lot of stuff going on, family oriented, but I didn't want you guys to think that I just dropped off, so I wanted to give an update video. This is not very interesting video. I really don't have a whole lot to show. Still got the car. Either way, I got some good news and I got some bad news. I'll just jump right into it. If you're like me, I like to have the bad news first before the good news. That way, whatever's bad, you know, maybe something good can pick me up a little bit, depending on what it is. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, I lost my mom back in June, June 13th, and it's been very hard. I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I gotta do it for the sake of Mom wanting me to keep pushing through. I love Mom. She was a good woman. She was just, you know, she was sick, and you know, it took her life. So I don't really want to talk a whole lot about it. I just want to let you guys know that that's what's been going on, and I had to take a break and step back from everything. You know, try to just recuperate and, you know, get through some grieving, and which is not over. I mean, how can you ever get over losing your mom, you know, or any of your parents, your dad? You know, it's been tough. But life goes on. You got to keep pushing. So I just want to let you guys know out there, if you love your mom, if you have anything you want to say to her, just go say it, you know, and talk to her, give her a hug and a kiss, because you never know when she might go. So that's the bad news I wanted to break to you guys, and that's one reason why I've been gone, and it's been a while since I posted this video. I just, like I said, I had to take a step back and, you know, just take time for myself and my family, and you know, I just been kind of tinkering around and doing a little things to keep my mind occupied stuff, but making a video is not something that I wanted to do, but I started it, so I can't just give up. You know, I got to keep pushing through, because I know Mom would want me to succeed, and she was very proud of me and everything I've been doing. She's proud of my family. She's been proud of everybody that's been a part of my channel and helping me build this car. So I can't stop. You know, I got to keep going. That being said, I'll give you a few updates on the car. I haven't done a whole lot besides maybe put, you know, the front end back together and stuff. I'm not really going to walk around the car, show a bunch of stuff. I got some seat covers. I changed my safety harnesses in the seats. You know, I put some headlights in it, things like that. I know the body work's not done, but maybe this winter I can try to focus on maybe finish up some body work, do some things like that whenever I got time. We haven't been able to, you know, take a test hit or anything. I will say that I have made a couple of hits on the road, and I'm going to save that footage for another video. It's not a whole lot of stuff, but you know, we might talk about it, and I'll show some clips of what we had going on. And car ran good. It seems like it's got some good power. It just got some bugs to work out already. I had a few leaks, had a lot of blow by on some oil pressure, and you know, things like that. Just some buttoning up things to do. But I'm pretty happy with it. I'm hoping I can get focused back on it pretty soon, and at least make a test hit on the track before the end of the season. Anyways, I'll get into the good news. I don't want to sit here and ramble and stand in front of the camera because that's kind of boring, I know, but the good news is, and it's another thing that's been keeping me occupied and busy, and I haven't been able to film much, which I probably should have done a lot of filming with it, but like I said, I wasn't ready to get behind the camera. Still really ain't ready to get behind the camera, but I got to push through, man. I got to get this thing going. So the good news is, I know I mentioned, I think in my last video, I showed you guys a pile of red rock, red gravel or whatever out beside my garage that I've been working in, which you might be able to tell a little bit of difference. There's a little bit more space in here because the shop is built. The electricity's not ran. I still got to do all that stuff. Yes, I'm going to do it myself. I'm not real big knowledge in I'm not no electrician or anything, but I know the basics, and I think I know enough to try to get some light tongue and you know, try to get some electricity ran in here. And I've got some buddies that know how to do it too, so it's always good to have a friend that knows how to do something that you're not really affiliated with. So I'm gonna count on them folks to, you know, help me out and try to get some electricity ran in here. But the good news is I got a shop, and we're gonna try to expand and do some more things in here. Obviously we have the Red Rocket, but I've got other things I want to work on. I want to get other projects in here, and just, you know, I just needed the room, and I was outgrowing myself, and I can't even tell you, I had no idea how much stuff I had shoved in this place after I tore a wall out and went through a bunch of stuff. I threw so much stuff away that one of these days I'll probably be like, dang, where is that? I know I had it, and which then I'll realize, well, damn, I probably threw it away. But it is what it is. I did a good clean out and got some stuff moved around, and I've got the shop pretty well set up the way I want it. I've built some workbenches and you know, things like that. But the main goal for the next step is to get some electricity in here, get my lights hung. So either way, I just want to let you guys know what's been going on. I lost my mom, been trying to reevaluate everything and just take a step back and focus on stuff. I'll give you a little tour of the shop. It's nothing real special. We do plan to get a lift put in here, so I don't have to lay on my back anymore. I know I mentioned that in the last video. I'm tired of laying on my back. But yeah, well, I'll jump in real quick and give you a little tour of the shop, and, you know, let you guys see that, so that way you guys know that I didn't just fall off the map. I'm still trying to push this thing and keep this thing going. So let's take a look. All right, so here's where I was just standing at, literally this spot right here. Of course, we got the Red Rocket in here. This was the garage that I've literally done everything in since I moved in here. And we moved some stuff around over there, cleaned that wall off, put my fridge over there. Everybody's got to have a shop fridge. That's where you keep your cold beer at. My toolbox was there, obviously. I had to move some stuff around. Yeah, I know, I still got a bunch of car parts and stuff, but you can never have too many. I try to clean up a little bit, but here's the shop. I mean, this is what I wanted. No, the picnic table's not staying in here. I just got a good deal on it, and I got to move it out somewhere in the yard, but we got plenty of room. I feel like we're going to put a lift over here on this side for this bay, and got my box set where I want it. I built some workbenches and got new cabinets, some shelves to put all my stuff. It's still a work in progress. I don't have my concrete pad poured yet, my apron poured yet, because the guy was busy and I was waiting on a load of dirt, and it just come in today actually. But hopefully by next week my apron's poured to be able to get in and out of here. But this has turned out to be a pretty awesome project. I've just been focused on trying to organize everything and put everything where I want it. And then hopefully soon we can start working on a car in here, start new projects. I have a couple of things lined up in the future that I want to try to work on. I'm hoping this winter, if money's right, there's 3 LS motors there. One of them's not mine, it's my cousin's, and maybe me and him are going to build it soon. Shout out to Joseph. So hopefully we can build his motor soon. And then I've got 2 more Gen 4s sitting here. We might build one of those for future stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good setup. Ignore the stuff that's laying around out in the yard. I just haven't been able to pick everything up, but I'm super happy and I'm super excited that we have more room. This is just going to help our channel and help our racing program to be able to expand and do more, obviously, instead of just having one little car in here at a time. So I won't ramble too much. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I apologize for being a Debbie Downer at the beginning, but you know, when you go through something like this, you kind of got to step back and reevaluate yourself and, you know, focus on certain things and just take a break. And that's what I've been doing. I'm starting to feel just a little bit better. I have my good days and bad days, but I know that you can never get over something like losing a parent. We got to keep pushing, guys, and your subscribes and your likes and your comments and everything else, it goes a long way, and it's just going to help pick me up and, you know, keep me going and push me even further, you know. You know, we just got to keep doing this thing. I started this thing, and I can't give up. I can't quit. I'm not a quitter to begin with, but I can't lie to you. There was times that I, you know, felt like I just wanted to, but at the same time, that's not what Mama would want. So I just got to keep going. But I appreciate you guys, you know, sticking with me. Just, you know, let me know what you think about the shop. That would be a really good thing. You know, to let me know how you guys feel about it, if you're excited about it, and, you know, what we got going on next. I'm really hoping that the next thing that we're doing is, you know, seeing how this thing's going to do. And yeah, I know we're going to have a lot of bugs to work out, but, you know, I really hope that we can get it on the track and see how it does and know what we got to do then, you know, or do next to, you know, try to fix some things. And I just know there's going to be some kinks that we got to work on, and that's fine. I'm expecting that, so I'm not going to be disappointed. But yeah, we got a 40 by 40, and I say it's big enough, but I know it'll give me about 6 months to a year, and I'm like, dang, I wish I would have built a bigger shop, but that's what everybody says. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning back into the channel. Always Team Sharp Racing. I appreciate the love and support. It goes a long way longer than you think it goes, because I think about this stuff whenever I'm just, you know, my mind's clear and start thinking about the channel and racing and stuff like that. I think about you guys and all the subscribers. I know it's not much, because I know there's people out there that have like thousands and millions of subscribers, but we're almost to 500 subscribers, and this time last year I was not even near close to that. So I appreciate all you guys that are subscribing to me. Just keep following along. Give me some patience. Just bear with me. Like I said, I'm going through a lot of things right now, but I'm trying to get back in focus. And I know racing season, I mean, we're almost August right now. It's almost into July, and you know, we still got a few months left, so I'm hoping we can still do some things. But you know, my main goal is to try to at least make a few test sets, possibly hit a race or two if possible. I know we're gonna have some bugs to work out. I already said that, but this winter I'm hoping to maybe pick up a project and maybe work on that, keep you guys interested, learn something new, do something different, focus on something different, build another motor. I mean, it don't matter what it is. I got some ideas of some things I want to do. I actually just started today. I don't know, I woke up this morning motivated and wanted to start to do some things. So I'm hoping I can put some things together and start moving forward with that. But at the end of the day, I love you guys, and I appreciate all the love and support you guys give me, and I'm gonna try to keep this ball rolling. All right, appreciate it.